Let me get the most engagement. I would love an answer from everybody, whether you know or not. Let me know what you think. Because bro said, "What time of day do you usually look to trade?" I am on Mountain Standard Time in the United States, and I've seen in the morning around 7 a.m. is beautiful, as well as maybe 4 p.m. Those are low key gas times for me at least. That's where I see a lot of volume at.
Yo,
You hear it?
sorry, bro. My electricity just went off, you know.
You chilling? Yeah. Oh, you said electricity. You good?
Yeah, bro. That shit just went off and come back, you know.
2 p.m. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's
What's the
tough.
question? What's the question?
This question
Yeah.
right now we're on the best time to trade.
Oh, this time.
Great question.
I'll say late night and early morning.
Hell yeah. We got a lot of
But
answers in the chat too.
yeah, but the thing is, bro, if you don't have like work or a job and shit, you know, you gotta be behind the computer all day, you know. Uh,
I feel you. I fucking feel that, bro.
because you never know. Sometime something is gonna come, you know, like that Nero coin, bro. It was like afternoon, you know, like it wasn't morning or late night. It was afternoon that she come out and she went to like 100 m, you know.
Right? Exactly. There's no fucking like. There's no answer to that, honestly, in terms of
Yeah,
what sends. I mean, yeah, it depends on how you extrapolate the question. The best time to trade for some shit that sends, or some shit that where you can jump in, out, real quick and still get consistent W's. You know, it's that's tough. But
but I will say something, bro.
yeah,
I have seen a lot of coin. I've seen all the coin that hit like million and shit, bro. It's all of them are around afternoon ACT. So I'll say that
around what?
like
I'm sorry.
around afternoon ECT, you know, Eastern time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like if you look at, I don't know if you guys like take note and shit, you know, but I do. All the coin that I've hit like millions in the past 2 3 week, bro. All of them were being, most of them were being in afternoon ECT, you know. So yeah,
Yeah, bro. And I mean, that's a great analysis in terms of your perspective there. However, I mean, I also fuck around in the reason why I even said early morning, which is not early morning, but like 7 o'clock, maybe 8 or so, which is what you said, same time zone for me at least. Uh, is I went live in the morning, and bro, I got the most fucking viewers I ever had on that morning live stream.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up, bro? You and Voy like homeboys or something?
Nah, I sent it and I texted him. I'm like, yo, does Darius call want me to explain the chart I sent? He's like, yeah, he wants to explain. So I just thought I'll pop out here for a sec.
Repost it real quick if you could,
Yeah, I got you. One sec.
just so we can look at it. See, I want to hear some TA shit, and please, if you could, let me
Yeah,
know what the coin is, whatever, how long it's been out, just so I can actually understand.
let me get the info. So the coin is Dicky. Sent to CA to check it out.
Beautiful. There you go. Thank you.
Okay, so first I saw that the coin has a lot of volume, and for the new people, volume to simplify, it just means a lot of people putting their money into the coin, right? And obviously, when they put a lot of money into the price or the market cap will go up higher. So I chose this, and I saw that the coin was showing a bit of weakness, and from the previous lows. So there you see, yeah, you're hovering over the weakness, but I drew a support line, and a support means that where the price is being held up, and where the price is being held up and it won't go under. And I waited for the price to go back and hit the support line, and then I saw that big dip, and since there was high volume, I got in, and everyone who got in at that dip, since I got early, just pretty much pumped my bags and made me money.
Okay, gas. And you got in. Where's your average buy, just so I can relate it to the chart wise. That's,
Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I can get the P&L for my friend. Just one sec, cause I told him to buy it. I was teaching him how to trade.
you're still in the play though, huh?
He sold at the left his moon bag, I think.
Mm.
Another thing would say that this is common knowledge, but like high volume charts, especially when there's a dip, is like the perfect time to buy it because it's literally just buying low, selling high.
Yep, I agree. You know, so
Yeah, another thing that TA comes from normal trading, and you can't really apply it to meme coins because meme coins is way more like volatile and unpredictable. But like in some cases, you can use support and resistance. Not that I'm saying it's a reliable strategy. It's just that.
no facts, but I mean exactly. But having that TA in your bag, you know, helps when you're talking about coins that are more established. You know, these coins that are
I
like
understand.
holding and yeah, actually mimicking, I guess, you know, a more reliable type chart. Cause I mean, I'm sure you can do TA on like Dogecoin chart. I never looked at it, bitch. But you know, some shit that's actually around. Bro said it looks in my opinion, it looks fishy. All the top holder procedures are. Okay, fair. I want to actually look at that because that's something that people sleep on when they're jumping into a.
Another thing is the charts getting botted.
Yeah,
As
I
you
mean,
see,
yeah, most charts get botted out. I mean, what do you mean by botted? Actually, let me hear what you guys say.
the dev or insiders that are in the coin, they're using an automated AI bot to pump up the charts pretty much, and that just increases the price to make it look good for whoever wants to buy. So like us or you guys or whoever wants to hop in, I guess.
Fair.
But yeah, and another thing called a bundled rug is when the dev has a lot of wallets and he just sells them all at the same time and dumps on you. But yeah.
Right, and that's and Loki, just to comment on real quick, Remy, but also Void, you know the, uh, you know bump bot normal. You know I don't see that as like a red flag or anything. That's actually more bullish to be honest. But
Hmm.
what Remy said is what you lastly just tapped on is the bundled rug, and I've been saying this forever because you know people sleep on it, but it's easy. Well, I would say it's easy to detect, but it's easy to not see or to you know look over. And what he said is when you're looking at the top holders, because I'm on the holders right now, when you're looking through them and you're looking at the percent that they hold, something that I've always done and I avoided so many rugs is like this, for example. We're looking at the percent that they hold. I mean, it keeps changing, of course, but when the percent is so similar, like these, super similar, the 259, like they're so fucking close. That to me gives the impression of a bundle, or you could say a dev that bought with a you know a bunch of different wallets. It doesn't show up on bubble maps, but bro put in you know X amount of soul and bought it right into each wallet type shit. So what that does on the holder chart, it shows the same percentage allocated to different wallets. And to me, that's what throws a red flag.
But yeah, another thing is that bundled rugs. In this case, around this time, the coin has been out for 2 hours. Another thing is that it's pretty unlikely for the dev to be putting out and selling all of his bundled wallets around like a time frame around this. He usually sells them all like when the coin is starting to die, or if he wanted to rug the whole project, he would have done it after it hit Ray or like along the start of the time that the coin came out.
I would agree with that though as well because facts, you know, they typically fuck around and it'll be out of there beforehand or already, you could say. I feel you for sure. You make a
But
bag off the play?
if you see signs that a chart is getting botted and you're new, I would not recommend getting into it because you have to be at the stage of trading when you know like when to farm the farm and like when to profit off of it, or else you're just gonna be like a part of the method pretty much and get your money stolen by the people who know what they're doing.
Depends on what kind of bot. I'm not gonna lie because if I see a
Uh-huh.
bot and the fucking coin has been out for 10 minutes, like a bump bot is what I'm talking about. I'm not sure what you're referring to,
Hmm.
but if I see a bump bot on the chart within like 10 minutes and it's checking all the other boxes, to me that adds to the bullishness on
Yeah,
on some swing
because
shit though. You know,
it puts out more popularity to the coin, right?
right, right. You know, they're trying off
Hmm.
the bat, but that's my opinion, of course. Did you mean
Hmm.
something different when you said bot?
Okay, when I refer to bot, I mean like, let me try and pull up a chart.
Like a
real quick.
Mev? Are you talking about a Mev?
Yeah, Mev,
Beautiful,
Mev.
beautiful.
It's like where you can clearly tell that the price has like low volume for like 30 seconds, and then there's like a 5,000 market cap increase, and then it goes back down. Like those are obvious.
Yep.
You
And
know what I
see,
mean?
exactly. Yeah, especially if you're new, bro. If you see a fucking dude,
Here,
those
I have a
Mev
perfect
bots.
example.
Oh,
Sorry to cut you off. I'm gonna send this.
well, I just want to say, bro, those Mev bots will fucking eat your shit crazy. Nope. I mean, pause all day, but you know, type shit. Bro said also volume is key. Bro, I be trying to harp like, bro, volume genuinely is one of the most important factors. However, you got to know that volume can be manipulated so easy, so fucking easy. So that's why it's volume, but as well as the holder, like the holder count, I should say, as well as the buyers versus sellers type shit.
You said, what is a good volume at the start? Do you want to answer that, Darius?
Absolutely. Depends on what you well at the start. So actually, let's look at some
I
plays
think
right now.
he's referring to like the new creation of a coin.
Absolutely. So let's jump in right now because volume at the beginning to me is exactly what I look for when I'm looking at a play. Like this one right here. Been out for 1 minute, 8K in volume in the first minute. Let's go on the second chart because it's only been out a minute. This volume to me is bullish. Like, look, 45 holders or, going up and down. So let's see, if when this dips, is this a good scoop? But, to answer your question though, 8K in volume to me is bullish in the first fucking minute, bro. For real. I'm not buying into any coin that has like less than like 5K volume less in the 5 minutes time frame type shit. Not touching that shit. 5K? Yeah, nah. And the more the time goes up, that volume has to be even more type shit. We could have made a bag off this play right now. 12K in volume. Of course, that doesn't specifically answer your question, but I can't directly answer your question because every play is different, But this is a beautiful example. I kind of want to ape. Well, I can't buy the top. Like, responsibly, I can't buy the top. You know what I'm saying? Some niggas got so. There's too many holders coming in right now. Sheesh. Who's gonna take their profits? Somebody has to. Gonna do some more. There we go. Be another little. Okay, boom. Said look for common dev percentages. Actually, because dev is super out. Actually, I might have to buy in if this keeps going down crazy. Dude, we getting kind of lit in this bitch. Volume is okay. Yeah, so volume at 15K is not bad. The holder count is kind of what I do like about this. But like I was saying before, we really you have to continue to, check the boxes type shit. Because if that bitch starts to show us super bearish, bro, we gotta save our bet or save the bag for real. Because I want to see some buys come in. But of course, new, super low cap. We could wait. Like it could dip super duper hard, and like that's where the whales start to come in if they want to pick it up. Essentially, my bad. I was supposed to be answering questions and shit, but this shit just I'm locked in on the play. Fuck. I don't know if y'all got anyone getting to know. My bad. I'm just like I'm bag chasing right now.
No, you good, bro. You
I know
good.
the
Just,
vibes.
I mean, same shit, bro.
It's just like too easy.
We're basically looking for like sniper entries. I think you should tell people like, you know what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah.
Like, not necessarily just get in, but does it check all the boxes? Like.
And that's what it is. Checking all the boxes and being early. Checking all the boxes before it checks somebody else's boxes. It's kind of the game, essentially.
Facts.
How many holders we got? We have 116. It's not
He
even
said,
that much
are
more.
you able to tell us your overall net worth? We got some police in here.
Yo, just chill, bro.
Nah, okay.
Nah, you chilling, bro. I will when I'm saying we all to the dogs that get rich in this bitch, and we are on the yacht in Miami. Oh, he actually asked the question. I thought that was you, bro, asking me. Oh,
Nah.
you was reading that bitch. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
It
should.
is good for motivation.
Yeah, respect.
Some slight in the 9 figures.
So I'm sorry. The question's by sizing?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if you explained it earlier. I don't know. I came late. Obviously.
No, you good. I haven't talked about that yet. Beautiful. So my answer to that question, real quick, on the my sizing, how I choose it essentially is when it's on these super low cap like bullshit plays. I mean, at least one Solana. If I have a conviction enough to get into it, I'm trying to get at least one in, right? So this play, I put in half a Solana, knowing that if it dips, what whoop de whoop, I'm going to put in another half type shit, right? But it's completely on the conviction of the play. Sometimes when I'm dolo, low key, I just be aping a full Solana in that bitch because I'm just gonna clip shit. So throw a Solana in, take everything else out. Secure that.
Yeah.
But this play right now, actually, let's look at my trades. So bought. I fucking top blasted here. It went down, bought the dip, went down again, bought the dip, all half Solanas type shit because I knew it was gonna go back up, right? And so up here, essentially, I just sold my initial because I know I'm up right now, right? Yeah, smooth little 20% off of Solana and a half.
Yeah.
Holder's still cooling.
That's a lesson to be patient.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, Zaggy, don't we talk about all the time, right? Every time I trade?
Yeah, bro.
When we said, we be like, yo, just
patience.
like, we're
Moon
bro,
or
we gotta
dust.
be in, bro. I don't like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, I don't like the entry. Right, Zaggy? I'd be like, bro, I don't like the entry, bro. I'm waiting to this. Didn't I say all the time, but yeah, I'm gonna wait till this shit. Alright, say 100K, I'm gonna wait for like shit 40 and 30, bro. If it doesn't hit that, it's gone, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. So.